Hello Internet, I'm Chrissy Duffy, and welcome back to more arcade stories. Once again, I am recording this from my car while on my lunch break. Why am I not eating lunch? I have a bag of fucking Cheerios, and that's all I want to eat, but I only want like a handful or two, because I'm a weirdo. And this one is entitled People Make Me Hate Humanity. And it was published on my blog on Sunday, April 28th, 2019. So we're still in the blog written diary post that I made forever ago. So, yeah. And title is fairly fucking important. And this is April of 2019. So this is a couple of months before I quit, because I quit in August of that year. So let's go ahead and get into what it was I wrote. So I don't know what is wrong with the people who come to Stonecrest, but too many of them are entitled or just plain stupid. I blame the fact we don't have a library or a bookstore. Mainly a bookstore. We have a library, but I don't know how many people go there who aren't on the druggists, because the only people I know who've gone there, who are personally related to me, go there to get the drugs. Yesterday, I had a lady come in to take a bathroom break from her movie at the movie theater across from our arcade to eat and drink at the bar. She was there for over 30 minutes. I feel bad that she wasted her money like that, but whatever. I think she just wanted to say that she saw the new Avengers movie or whatever. Today was just stressful and annoying. We had a rush the moment our third person left our department, leaving it to be just me and Amy. Apparently, our other closer called out. Our other person, who was supposed to come in for training, didn't show either, but he hasn't shown for many of his work days. It's sad because the one day I worked with him, he was very attentive and soaked up everything like a sponge. The other two new guys are a bit slow, but improving gradually. I'm trying not to mama bird them, but I am a bit of a control freak. But I also had several people ask for things that aren't on the menu or things we don't sell, mainly cups of water and lemon pepper wings. I do not understand what the fuck is the fascination with lemon pepper wings and why everyone seems to think that everyone fucking has them in this state. We do not. They had 3 wings. Plain, barbecue, and buffalo. Still fucking traumatized by that shit. It's like none of y'all know how to fucking read a menu. I don't know why, but a lot of people expect/believe we have free water cups or cups of ice, and then they're confused when I tell them we don't have cups of water. I have to explain and even repeat over and over to the same person that we only have soda cups and bottled water. Yes, they are expensive. It's an arcade connected to a mall. What did you expect? But today we had so many people that it just destroyed my soul. It also didn't help that I got off at 1 a.m. and have to go back in at 10:30 a.m. So what is that? Around 8 to 9 hours to get home, try to sleep after all this stress. I just can't. I am still up and it's nearly fucking 3 a.m. My sleep schedule is so fucked. But I had to deal with one customer. They, a man and his preteen daughter, came up to the counter and I saw them look and run their fingers over the menu. Oh, I remember this and I'm still fucking bitter and pissed about it. They looked at the wings and everything. There are only 3 flavors of wings, plain, buffalo, and barbecue. No other flavors. They looked me in the eye and asked for lemon pepper wings. We don't have lemon pepper wings, I tell them. The man apparently had an issue with how I said it. He paused and said I was rude and that I shouldn't have said it that way. I told him curtly, you just asked for lemon pepper wings. I told you, we don't have them. Man, but it's the way you said it. You work in customer service. You should have said it's not available, which is fucking stupid. It's not available is a fucking stupid thing to say. That just implies we're out of that shit. I say we don't have those because fucker, they're not on the menu. I, growing more annoyed and confused by this weirdness, look, I'm not following your logic. I simply told you we don't have lemon pepper wings. Granted, I knew he had read the menu, but I didn't bring it up because maybe he's illiterate. I wish we had a bookstore that wasn't 40-ish minutes away. Man, but it's the way you said it. 1, I'm autistic, I don't get this fucking shit, so fuck off. Don't expect me to understand how you fucking neurotypical people think, because honestly, I don't even think it's a neurotypical thing. I think it's just like, what the fuck is wrong with this entitled fucking douchebag? I just stared at him. I am so done repeating the same thing over and over again. Man, can you apologize for the way you spoke in front of my child? I, shaking my head, no, you asked for something we don't have. I told you we don't have it. I've had to say the same thing to several others today. I say it short and simple. Just to, keep everything moving. Granted, I didn't curse, though I wanted to, and frankly, if you can't handle blunt, maybe you shouldn't go out. If that girl has any contact with others, I'm sure she's heard a lot worse from her classmates. I mean, she was a preteen. I was a preteen. I remember hearing a lot of fucking bullshit. And I wasn't even friends with any goddamn buddy. The sheer fact that he thinks we have to sugarcoat anything is hilarious. I am not here to appease you. I'm here to cook, prep, clean, and take a few orders. It's nearly 20 minutes to close, and there's still a line of orders that Amy is making and will be making past closing time. The man asks for a manager. I shrug. It's, alright, let's waste this time. I call for a manager over the mic. I get no response. Not abnormal. I only have one manager on the floor, and he's stuck at the bar. A few minutes of silence pass. The man gestures to the manager. Is that your manager? I nod. Yes. The man smiles like he's made some victory. I know him. Oh, that's nice, I shrug. I've got, 2 people behind this guy at this point, and he won't move so I can take their orders. If y'all think I care who y'all know, I don't. I doubt any of us do, and we fucking don't. The manager never came over, though. I believe I've got one of the security guards cup. They had the sign for it. The man finally addresses me again and says, do you want to try this again? I'm pretty sure I cocked an eyebrow at him. Look, I glance at the clock. It's 11:19. The kitchen is closing at 11:30 since our other closer didn't come in. The kitchen closes in 10 minutes. Do you want to order something or not? I am so done with this guy. Most of it is him demanding an apology. I don't give apologies when asked. I'm not about giving fake apologies. It'll make the rest of my apologies meaningless. Especially, when I feel like I've done nothing wrong, and there's no fucking point in saying sorry to you. I just can't deal with humans sometimes. Hold on, I skipped a line. He again asks if the man at the bar is my manager, and I tell him yes, only one in tonight. He then leaves and takes his daughter with him. He didn't order anything, as the last 2 orders I had were from my coworkers. I just can't deal with humans sometimes, and it becomes so bad that I can only call them humans and not people. I wish I could just collapse into sleep, but I am carrying way too much negative energy, and I'm lacking a black candle to banish it. And let's get on to the part that I wrote after I had finished editing this. I recall this. That guy sucks. There are so many people in the Conyers-Lithonia area who can't read, it seems. I blame the fact no one opened a bookstore in the area after borders closed. I will never not tell you guys that I have to drive 40 minutes just to find a bookstore. They did open a bookstore in the downstairs of Stonecrest Mall briefly, for a month. It only lasted a few months, and it was very bare bones. Mostly Christian, female dieting books and such. Nothing I find interesting and would read. They did have a small corner with some children's books about Black history, which was cool. Just nothing I was into. We do have this new mall opening behind Stonecrest Mall called Black Wall Street, and it has 2 bookstores in it, but their selection is also small and not that diverse. The man who owns one, though, says if I bring him the title of a book I want to buy, he'll see about getting it within 72 hours, so that's nice. I mainly read graphic novels and mangas and comics, and neither of them have that. If anyone ever wants to open a comic/nerd shop in the Conyers-Lithonia area, hit me up. I will be there weekly. I will be your number 1 hype fucking cheerleader, I fucking promise. But yeah, that was all the bullshit that I had to deal with on that day. And I'm still mad about this guy. You have a preteen daughter, and I remember vaguely how he looked. I'm pretty sure he had an expensive watch or something on, if my brain is correct. He dressed nice, so he had a little bit of money, he was middle class maybe, I don't know. And your dumbass can't fucking read and want to cop an attitude because I tell you, look, we don't have that item. And then you want to just stand there and for several fucking minutes expecting me to apologize and rephrase the thing I already said? No, fuck off. Like, yeah, I don't have an official diagnosis that says I'm autistic, like everyone in my family believes, because a lot of the shit matches me, and I'm pretty sure, almost 100% certain I'm neurodivergent because of the way my brain works, functions, and how I behave. But fuck off, bitch. I'm not about to sit here and please you. And that was, like, the day I'm pretty sure I almost fucking broke. Could not handle people. Like, legit, I walked away and went to the kitchen to go clean fucking dishes while he fucking stood there. Because his dumbass wouldn't move and allow other people to do their. Like, I turned off the TV while he was fucking there, explaining, look, this place is closing, fucker. Go on. But yeah, that was a constant fucking thing. So, share stories down below. Thank you all for watching and enjoying whatever art I was making while I ranted on for hours. Actually, not that much hours. But yeah, have a lovely day, stay hydrated, share your stories down below, let the YouTube algorithm gods know that you like my content by liking, subscribing, commenting, all those things. So yeah, also thank you very much to my Patreon and Ko-fi supporters, Dymond and Micah, for helping support me make this content. You guys are awesome. I'm still working on Micah's commissions that he got from when he donated to my Ko-fi. So yeah, all of you stay safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.